Hey everyone, Dr. Bell here with Dr. Bell Health Channel, and today we'll be diving into a topic that affects many people but is often misunderstood: leaky gut syndrome. And we will be reviewing a popular supplement designed to support your gut health, Dr. Amen's Leaky Gut Plus, or Amen Leaky Gut Plus. First, let's discuss what leaky gut syndrome is. I want you to picture your gut lining as a tight security system. It carefully controls what passes through, in and out, vitamins, nutrients. And in a healthy gut, the lining is strong and selective. But sometimes, due to factors like poor diet, stress, imbalances in our gut bacteria, toxins that were around, this lining can become compromised, which allows partially digested food, toxins, bacteria to leak through into the bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation and a host of other issues. Many times people don't even know what it is, or most medical doctors won't even say you have leaky gut. All right. Before we discuss a little bit more about Amen Leaky Gut Plus, I want to say that this is not medical advice. Talk to your doctor. This is for educational purposes only. Talk to your doctor before you take any medications, any vitamins, any supplements, please. And if you didn't know, everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount through our full script store at drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. You can get this product cheaper than Amazon, cheaper than the Amen website, but just due to the terms and conditions, I can't tell you what the discount is just because of the manufacturer's policies with that. But you get free shipping, free returns, and it doesn't cost you a thing to join and shop around and look. All right, we have your favorite products there: Thorne, Microbiome Lab, Standard Process, Amen, Metagetics, Biotics Research, you name it, it's there. If you already have a full script account, shoot us an email and we'll add you to ours. Okay, now let's take a closer look to Amen Leaky Gut Plus. This formula contains a blend of ingredients that work together to support your gut and digestion, and it's got all kinds of them. One key ingredient is L-glutamine. You'll see that in a lot of products for leaky gut. It's an amino acid that helps support the gut lining. I want you to think of it as like a reinforcement for that security system we talked about. And the supplement also includes zinc and licorice extract, which helps support the gut's natural mucus lining and promote stomach comfort. All right. It also features a blend of fermented, which this is what kind of sets it apart from others, fermented organic botanicals like apple cider vinegar, ginger root, turmeric root, marshmallow root powder, and these ingredients have been used for centuries to support digestion and overall gut health. That's just fermented food in general, okay? You take fermented foods, I always talk about it helping your gut. All right, and then it has probiotics, 10 billion CFUs per serving, a beneficial bacteria to help promote a healthy gut microbiome, support digestion, and even give your immune system a boost. So it protects the lining of your stomach, and then it also fills it with all the good bacteria that you need. And one thing I appreciate about it is it's vegan, non-GMO, free from common allergens like dairy, soy, and gluten, and it's manufactured in a GMP certified facility right here in the USA. So you know you're going to get a quality product. You're going to get one that's not going to have some shady stuff in it. And Dr. Amen is just awesome, just everything he does for health. So if you're looking for a high quality supplement to support your gut health journey, Amen's Leaky Gut Plus is definitely worth considering. All right, it's got the blend of L-glutamine, probiotics, botanicals, and more, and it offers a comprehensive support for your digestive system. Don't forget you can purchase it and other Amen products at a steep discount through a full script store, drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com, free shipping, free returns. Doesn't cost you anything to shop around, join, do whatever you want to do. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health content. Stay energized, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Dr. Bell.